Prove that the limit of 1 plus 1 over n raised to the power n when n approaches infinity is e. For any positive x. Hence the limit we need is Let's assume t is equal to 1 over n, so it suffices to evaluate the limit as dividing by t. As t approaches 0, every term containing t vanishes, leaving this 2. And there you have it.